Chief Justice of India was not available in the morning. The case was therefore listed for orders in Court 12, where Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul pronounced the order. And he basically said that the court was setting aside the October 23rd order of the Government of India, the Department of Personnel Order, which had divested Verma of his role and placed an interim chief at the head of the CBI. That itself is a huge victory for Alok Verma and a huge loss of faith for the government, which now is saying that it had done it at the behest of the CVC's recommendation. Yes, it's a huge personal boost, but what the court has done is it's hemmed in his powers for the rest of this month, because he demits office on February 2nd, and therefore he will have very little leeway till that time to do anything that he wants. So yes, it's a victory in the sense that his position has been restored, but his wings have been clipped. His predecessor, the interim chief, did as he wanted to. He took several controversial decisions, even though the court had told him to lay off policy decisions. So Verma could easily go that way. But that would mean constant tussle with the government again, unless the High Court Committee meets and decides on the future course and basically restores his powers. It erodes the independence of the CBI as an institution simply because the CBI chief has been reinstated but with fetters on. Why should the CBI chief be placed under fetters when the court decides that his divesting of his powers was not proper? At least in the interim, he should have been allowed to function. That was not done. In this case, the court seems to be concentrating on the CBI chief because he represents the institution and its independence. And because there is a process for his transfer which was bypassed, the court has reinstated him. The court does not seem to have dealt with Asthana's case at all, but the judgment is yet to come, so we do not have clarity on his fate yet. The Supreme Court did a very proper thing when it said that the government could not have divested Verma of his powers, protecting the CBI's independence as an institution. At the same time, it placed fetters on his functioning, which erodes the credibility of the institution. What views of a CBI chief, he cannot take any decisions against the government. The court also told a high-powered selection committee to look at his transfer within a week. The committee comprises the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, and the leader of the opposition. That is a team that cannot be meeting within a week, given their workload and the time constraints. So this issue may still linger on. Verma may be left in a limbo till he demits office on February 2nd.